Today we are going to derive the Gregory-Newton forward interpolation formula for equal intervals. Now we will assume y equal to f of x denote the function which takes the values y0, y1, y2, etc. yn corresponding to the values of x, namely x0, x1, x2, etc. xn. Just let y equal to f of x, and this takes the values y0, y1, y2, etc. yn corresponding to x0, x1, x2, etc. xn. Then we will assume that xi's are equidistant. Assume xi's are equidistant. That is xi minus 1 is equal to h for I equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. n. Therefore, we will get x1 equal to x0 plus h, x2 equal to x0 plus 2h, and following this we will get xi is equal to x0 plus ih for our I equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. n. Now let us assume that Pn of x is the interpolating polynomial, and this interpolating polynomial is of degree n in x, such that yi equal to f of xi, which is equal to Pn of xi. So we are taking Pn of x as the interpolating polynomial. Interpolating polynomial of degree n in x, such that yi is equal to f of xi, which is nothing but Pn of xi for I equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. n. Now we will assume that Pn of x is of the form Pn of x is equal to a0 plus a1 x minus x0 whole power 1, that is factorial polynomial here, plus a2 into x minus x0 whole power 2 factorial, plus a3 into x minus x0 whole power 3 factorial, like that. This is a nth degree polynomial. So our last term will be an x minus x0 whole power n factorial. Now Now we are going to find out a0, a1, a2, etc. an, and if you substitute in this Pn of x, we will get the interpolating polynomials. Okay, now our aim is to find out the constants a0, a1, etc. an. For that, I am going to use the property of Pn of x. So we know that Pn of x naught is equal to y naught. Now substituting this x equal to x naught, in equation star, substituting x equal to x naught in star, we get Pn of x naught in the left hand side, which is equal to a naught, because all the other terms are having x minus x naught, and once if you substitute x equal to x naught, we will get x naught minus x naught, so all the terms will be 0. So we have got Pn of x naught equal to a naught. Just now we have found out Pn of x naught as y naught, so a naught is equal to y naught. Now I will take this as equation 1. So we have found out the value of the unknown a naught. Next, we will use the differences formula. Hence, rth difference of the polynomial del power r of Pn of x is equal to ar r factorial into h power r plus terms involving x minus x naught. Okay. Now we will set x equal to x naught here. So we will put x equal to x naught. Then in this we will get del power r Pn of x naught is equal to ar r factorial into h power r, and these terms will get cancelled because we are substituting x equal to xr, x equal to x naught. Then from this we will eliminate what is AR. So AR is equal to, now del power R Pn of x naught divided by R factorial into h power R. Okay, now this is true for r equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. And this Pn of x naught is nothing but y naught. So this is equal to del power r y naught divided by r factorial into h power r for r equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. This we will take it as equation number 2. Now we will substitute equation 1 and 2 in star. We will get Pn of x is equal to a naught, we have found it as y naught. So y naught plus a1, substituting r equal to 1 in this, we will get del y naught by 1 factorial into h power 1 into x minus x naught whole power 1 factorial. So x minus x naught whole power 1 factorial into del y naught by 1 factorial into h. Then here second term will be x minus x naught whole power 2 factorial into del square y naught divided by 2 factorial into h square. Substituting like this, our nth term will be x minus x naught whole power n factorial into del power n y naught divided by n factorial into h power n. Then in this we are going to put a substitution, that is we will take u equal to x minus x naught by h. Okay, then this Pn of x will become, Pn of x is equal to y naught plus this, instead of x minus x naught whole power 1 factorial by h, we will write it as u. So u power 1 factorial divided by 1 factorial into del y naught plus this will become u power 2 factorial into del square y naught divided by 2 factorial plus etc. plus u power n factorial divided by n factorial into del power n. This is called Newton's Gregory forward interpolation formula. Interpolation formula. Okay, like this we are having Newton backward interpolation formula. These ones we will see tomorrow.